In today's video, I'm coming up to teach you how to replace every instance of a color in Affinity. This is a quick, non-destructive way to swap a color across your entire document. Perfect for updating a brand color, matching a product shot, or correcting a wardrobe tone without repainting anything by hand. Start with your artwork or photo, open and look to the Layers panel. Along the bottom, you'll see the Adjustments icon. It looks like a half-filled circle. Click that to open Affinity's adjustment list. We're going to work non-destructively, which means everything you do here can be edited later, reordered, or turned off without harming your original layers. It's a best practice for flexible, professional workflows. From the list that appears, choose HSL. HSL stands for Hue, Saturation, and Lightness, and it's the go-to tool for changing color relationships. When the HSL controls appear, you're looking at an adjustment layer that affects all visible layers beneath it. Think of hue as the angle around the color wheel, saturation as the intensity of that color, and lightness as how bright or dark it is. To replace a color everywhere, drag the hue slider. You'll see the colors on your canvas shift in real time. Keep your eye on the area you want to change and slowly move the slider until the original color transforms into the target hue. A small movement can make a big difference, so go gradually. If your subject contains that color in multiple places, logos, shapes, clothing, or backgrounds, they'll all update at once because this adjustment works globally. If the new color feels a little dull or too punchy, gentle tweaks can help. Staying within the same HSL controls, a slight increase or decrease in saturation can make the replacement feel more natural, and a lightness nudge can match surrounding tones. The key is subtlety. Overdoing saturation or lightness can introduce banding or make skin tones and shadows look unnatural. As you adjust, use the live preview on your canvas as your guide. If you're matching a specific brand color or print requirement, aim for a hue shift that looks correct in context rather than chasing perfection on the slider alone. You can always return to this adjustment later and refine it, which is the beauty of keeping it as a separate layer. And that's it. Click Adjustments at the bottom, choose HSL, and adjust the color slider to replace every instance of that color across your design or photo. Simple, clean, and entirely reversible. When you're happy, continue editing or export as usual, knowing you can revisit the HSL layer anytime.